special. What's happening today? Who's reading to us? Peyton's reading to us. So go back to circle. It was perfect timing.
When I share my ice cream, my moments.
Are you okay? Are you good? You're good?
I'll just show to everyone.
Okay, okay, perfect.
Get your ice cream. Get your cold ice cream for a hot day. Oh boy, ice cream. One ice cream, please. Here you go. Oh boy, I love ice cream. Wait, Piggy loves ice cream too. Piggy is my best friend. Should I share my ice cream with her?
What do you think?
No.
Share.
No. Should I share my awesome, yummy, sweet, super great, tasty, nice cold ice cream? No.
It's a hard decision, isn't it?
Not like this flavor. Sharing a flavor Piggy does not like would be wrong. I will eat the ice cream.
What flavor is it, Peyton? What flavor do you think it is?
Chocolate chip.
Oh, yeah.
No. It's blueberry.
Blueberry? I think it's mint chocolate chip.
No, it's not. Piggy will like this flavor. It's just very yummy. I will share my ice cream. It will not be easy.
Oh.
Have ice cream. I will eat the ice cream with somewhere.
Oh.
Is that? I like Piggy.
Cute, isn't she?
Piggy. I must sad. Yeah, he is. I feel how grouchy of that pig.
Mm-hmm. He's determined. You must find her. That's him. Kind of like a grouchy face.
When I do, I will say, would you like something? Thank you. That would cheer me up. Then I will give her my ice cream t-shirt. Yum. Then me, my best friend, will be happy. I will do it. I will share my ice cream.
Uh-oh.
Uh-oh.
It took too long, did
Now Piggy cannot have any of my ice cream. Now I cannot have any of my ice cream. Oh, there's a bug. I need your money. I blew it.
I blew it. That is so cute.
Uh-oh.
Who's coming with chocolate ice cream?
You look sad. Would you like some of my ice cream? Thank you. That would cheer me up.
Oh.
And then he's going to eat all of it. No. Yep.
Oh.
You're very soft.
Good job, Peyton.
Expression. Peyton, that was so great.
I have one more.
Wow.
Said you have no more.
Look at
Oh.